Hi, my name is Andrew Benzinger. I'm from Whitnell High School. The skill I developed in the GPS program is not to procrastinate, to make sure I get my work done on time. Also to make sure that I stay on task and finish what I need to get done, and to the best of my ability. The biggest thing that my classmates and I are bringing to the business world is that we know how to be professional. To me, this means to always show your employers how interested you are to learn new things and to be open to improvements. We have also learned to have a positive mindset and believe we can become successful in whatever we do. During my time in the GPS Ed program, I am most proud of earning my certifications in OSHA 10 and OSHA First Aid, also MSSC Safety and Quality. These certifications help me understand the importance of safety and quality in the workplace. The first week of class, no one talked to each other. We just did our work, and we had a very quiet classroom. You could hear a pin drop in the classroom. Then about 2-3 weeks into the program, we had a group project we all had to work on, and we started to talk to each other little by little. We ended up creating a group chat and became good friends, hanging out after class and going to get food. This was a great experience because we all became friends, and I know I can count on them to be there for me. As I move forward in my life, I will take away the importance of being professional and respectful to everyone I interact with. For me, I felt that traditional high school was teaching me things that I was never going to use in my daily life after high school. They were always saying that I would use it in college, but since freshman year I knew I was never going to go into college. I was always going to go into the trades. So at GPS, they teach you about the lessons and skills that you will need to be successful in your job. They also teach you how to be professional in the business world. My plan after graduation is to join the Carpenters Union. Thank you to my mom and my dad for supporting me in the GPS Ed program. Thank you to Rocio and Pierre for helping me graduate and accommodating my needs when I had knee surgery during the year. Lastly, thank you to ITU of Zortec for giving me the opportunity to complete my student's apprenticeship.